Well, good morning everybody. Good Saturday morning to you. It feels like a good day today after the horrendous torrential rain yesterday. Lucky enough to get a bed in a monastery last night. It's probably about 30 beds all together in a small room, very cosy. Get to know your neighbour a little bit, but there was no heating or anything. So this morning I had the lovely pleasure of putting wet socks on, putting those into my wet shoes, and out we come. So today I should be heading towards a place called Guernica according to the guidebooks, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or whether I'm going to have a bit of a shorter day, dry everything and just relax a little bit. I'm going to decide in about an hour depending on what the weather is. Just leaving the town of Montibar now. I actually had the idea of just doing a short day today of about 10k and just staying here, but I've just tried at the albergue and it's closed.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5 and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring.
And it's raining again. I did a slightly different version of yesterday. Rather than walking to Guernica, which would be the normal stage, I stayed just before in, if I remember, I'll mark it on the bottom, but it's 6k short of Guernica, lovely little albergue, and it meant I had the chance to have a normal communal meal with pilgrims, get to know some people, and it was just a lovely, lovely night rather than the usual hustle and bustle of going to a main stage. So that holds true. Doesn't matter if you're on the Francis or the Norte, the midpoints make for a really, in my opinion, more authentic pilgrim experience. And hopefully the rain will stop enough that I can actually get some better footage, because I'm not getting you all the footage and beauty of the Camino that I'd like in this weather.
If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know.
Well, I'm past a lot of the mud slicks now. Top hint for people not used to coming down slippery mud slopes. There's a real temptation if you're going to slip to put your hand down. Don't forget you've got a really nice soft safety thing strapped to your back. So if you can put your hands in like they tell you to do on an aeroplane, just fall straight down on that lovely soft tortoise shell you've got. It reduces the risk of any sprained wrists or anything like that.
Give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do.